G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate, and welcome to my new listing at number 3 High Street in beautiful Bothwell. We're in a prime location, level access, fully secure yard, great backyard for the kids or the fur babies, and the home, 3-bedroom brick, lovely large open plan living with a fully renovated kitchen. Let's go in and have a look. We're in a prime location, walking distance to the local school up to grade 10, the post office, the bakery, local IGA, and so much more. We've got level access, a fantastic backyard, workshop, garden shed, and so much more. If you've been looking to step into an investment or buy your first home, look no further. To book an inspection or for more information, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week, and I'm here to help.